Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create, I'm showing you, we are going to create this effect as a album cover art. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we have to invisible all the layers, and do you know guys, I have already made this. So I am just showing you step by step. So don't miss any part and don't skip that video so you can understand all the matters in easy way. So first we have to take our artboard, so you can select here, go to file menu and new, and for 1400 by 1400 pixel you can select it, otherwise you can select it 300 by 300 pixel and close it. So I am just I had created this, so you can also create. After that I had take this concrete texture and you can download this. I will provide that texture link in the video description link, so you can download from there, and I am just showing you this in different layers. So I am selecting here an artboard, and in this layer I am showing you this. So here is my texture, so I am just putting this and make it settled little bit and just hit OK here. Now press Ctrl for make it invert, and you can make it invert by selecting this image and go to image adjustment, and from here is the option of invert. You can make invert from here, but I am just pressing Ctrl plus I key to make it invert. Now select curves and make it little bit dark. So I think it's enough and it's looking quite good. So like that I have done this in this image. Now we need to put our text in this way. So I have put this, and the color of that text is little bit blue, and I am choosing here road rage font. So I am showing you in different artboard. So here our text is, and make our text properly. So select it, select bold text and press Ctrl T for control panel. Here is our control panel, so select it here, and now go to three dots and click here reset character. Now we have to make it bigger. So this is our text, and we can put here white color, and from here we can choose road race font. So this is the font, and we can press enter. Now we can modify it little bit. So I'm just using that type of texture here. So this is this is the thing I had done on that artboard. From here you can choose the color of it. So on that layer I am choosing that type of color. I think that color, and I am also used a filter in this layer. You can see that liquify filter. So if you want to use that filter, then you have to go filter menu and here liquify and convert to smart object. Now you can see that our text is applied here, and you can adjust it little bit. So I'm just, we can make our brush size small by small bracket key, and we can adjust it. So I had done these kind of things on that artboard. So I'm just showing you, and hit OK here. So your text will be converted in this shape. Now go to our old artboard. So this is our text, and I had make some brushes, color of brushes. So I'm showing you this in different artboard. So we have to first invisible all the layers. Now selected brush, now selected empty layer from here, and now selected brush. And so this is our brush, and you can download this brush in the description link I had provided, where the link of that brush, so you can download, and the name of that brush is watercolor brushes. So you can also download these brushes from the Google. So just select it and make it a small little bit. So I'm just make it like that, and we can choose some light colors from here and just click here. Now we have to make this type of things again and again, so I am making it fastly only for your showing. So guys, you can see that I had make this kind of things here. So guys, now I am showing you how I fit these colors in this text. So go to our newly object, and now you can see that our colors layer is upper from the text layer. So select the colors layer, and now press first visible all the layers. Now click right key of your mouse and make it clipping mask. So guys, you can see that this is our text which I had applied in this image. So you can adjust it, and you can make it by clicking brushes key again and again. Now if you want to make it saturated or hue, then you have to go filter menu and select from here camera raw filter. Now we can adjust our all the things which we want to adjust. Then we can go here at SL adjustment, and now we can adjust the saturation of it. Like that we can adjust all the things and hit here OK. So you can see that our image is looking quite good. Now go to our first artboard and select some more text. So I had used here produce put band. It is a random text and it is the name of studio, so you can adjust it anywhere. I like to adjust that thing here, so I am adjusting. And in this text I am using semi bold version of Montserrat font, so you can use it. And I had also used a text September 13, so it is a date. You can use anything in this album cover art. So maybe I think our text, our all the things is ready, but we can add here circle, and that's why I use a round rectangle shape here. So just you have to put that rectangle downside of the layer which we had made clipping mask. So you have to put that layer downside of the layer, and we can make these round rectangles from here. Go to shape panel and round rectangle tool, you can select from here. So this is our artwork. So hope you like this video, hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.